So I'm going to try a 12-mile hike today. I have a herniated disc and nerve pain shooting down my arm. But hey, let's see what happens. So a mile and a half in, really beautiful hike. A lot more windy than I expected. Look how it just opens up and the wind dies down from time to time. Well, the wind's dying down, but the pain's kicking up. I can feel it all the way down my arms and my fingers. Well, about 8 miles in, the wind's definitely coming back. What a beautiful hike. So we made it through 12 and a half miles. It's a really good hike. I mean, it was kind of painful, but I'm really glad that I still came out and did it. Definitely a lot more windy than I ever expected, but it really wasn't that cold.